Today I'll be introducing to you top 10 brands of sofas that are very popular today, worth thousands of dollars. Stay tuned.
Here comes this Milano sofa, which is from the Baxter brand, a well-known Italian furniture brand. Even if you haven't seen the Milano sofa before, you must have seen this unique Chester Moon sofa. It is also a popular one. This modular sofa comes from the BB brand, a top Italian brand. It can be freely matched according to the space. The most popular cassina sofa often appears on Instagram as well as Facebook.
Finally, I want to share the Pack sofa by Edra. I'm sure you must have seen this unique sofa with the timeline design so perfect.
Most of us can agree that the world top designers for furniture and other sofas are found in Italy, but the price of that will cost you a fortune and most of us cannot afford. That's why today we bring you these alternatives of these top brands which many of us can afford. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs like. Bye bye.